I'm Sam Radion, Sales Director at Merit Software, and welcome to this video on how Merit manages software projects. The aim of this video is to illustrate some of the steps involved in setting up payroll software for your recruitment business, and to share with you some useful tips that we've learned over the last 20 years of operation. So one tip I'd like to share with you is the importance of avoiding setting a fixed deadline for your project. Each year, around about the end of March, we receive hundreds of calls from companies looking to implement our payroll system, with the aim of launching it before the financial year end. Now, unfortunately, we have to turn down many of these companies, and the main reason for that is an underestimation of the effort needed to deploy a software project. So when implementing a software system, there's lots of variables that you need to consider, such as the migration of data from your existing systems, and crucially, the resources that you have available. So if you then give yourself an arbitrary or fixed deadline without any project contingency, you're taking a huge risk with the success of the project. In one example I can remember, we received a customer request that a project be completed by a certain date, but then almost their entire core team went out of contact on annual leave just 2 weeks before the go live, and they hadn't mentioned this to their Merit project manager in advance. So my top tip to you is plan ahead. Give yourself a sensible period of time to undertake a software installation project. We'd usually recommend a period of around about 6 to 10 weeks from our initial consultation to go live. We'd also recommend that you have an internal product champion, so that's someone who can help coordinate the project at your side. We understand the day-to-day challenges that our recruitment customers face, and sometimes priorities do change, but it's really important that you keep good lines of communication all the way through the project. So I hope you found some of this helpful in considering how your recruitment business might implement a software project. We've also created a handy ebook, which goes into a little more depth in some of the points that I've talked about here. You can download this free resource from our website, and be sure to click the subscribe button below to make sure you stay up to date with the latest from Merit Software.